Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Aljusmar A. Tugasan. Here's a summary and answers to the questions. Summary: Bendigo in Adelaide Bank revised its IAS strategy to address challenges such as changing customer expectations, digital transformations, complexity and cost reduction in outdated technology infrastructure. The bank's legacy system hindered its ability to innovate due to limited flexibility, inefficient development, high maintenance costs, and difficulty integrating new technologies. To overcome these challenges, the bank partnered with MongoDB to modernize its core banking technology, resulting in significant reductions in development time and costs. Comprehension questions. Number 1. What were the main challenges that prompted Bendigo and Adelaide Bank to revise its I strategy? The bank faced challenges such as changing customer expectations, digital transformation, complexity and cost reduction, competition and market dynamics, outdated technology infrastructure, data management and security, and regulatory compliance. Number 2. How did the bank's legacy system impact its ability to innovate? The legacy system limited flexibility, made development inefficient, had high maintenance costs, and made it difficult to integrate new technologies. Number 3. What were the 4 key objectives of the bank's IS strategy? Not explicitly mentioned in the provide text, but based on the context, the objectives likely include improving customer satisfaction, driving growth, maintaining competitive positions, and enhancing operational efficiency. Analytical questions. Why do you think cloud migration was prioritized in the bank's digital transformation? Cloud migration was likely prioritized to reduce costs, increase flexibility, and improve scalability, enabling the bank to focus on innovation and customer focus development. Number 2. How did the I strategy contribute to both operational efficiency and customer engagement? The I strategy